guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I do my edges, okay? So first I'm going to show you the Just For Me Slime Sour. Ooh, okay. Now let's get into the video. Yes. Okay. So, guys, okay, just gonna first do this, the gel. And go check out the new curl piece, guys. Wait. Jello-y. It's jello. Is it kind of like jello, guys? This thing smells so good. Gonna eat like this slime. This slime. Look at this. Slowly go in my hair. Like ew. Ooh, it's curly. It's like it. It's so curly. Cause Just For Me makes my hair curly. And this hair, actually guys, go check the new curl piece. It smells delicious. It smells like you can eat it, but you can't. Guys, this is how it looks right now. Cool. I like it. It's like really curly. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, stickiness. Stickiness. So now we're gonna lose this. For my edges, as people. Whoa. Cute little baby edges. I got long edges or baby ones because I have long hair, so I never get. It may even be long, guys. Something. But it's not gonna make it, I'm not gonna make it get long. So we did the S and the side of the others. He'll fix that in a minute. So now we're gonna do this one. Yes! Good. It smells like apples. Like something like apple, like an apple pie. Woo! What? Oh. Yeah, that's so sticky. Oh, cute. Oh, okay. It actually looks longer than the other one. Yeah, so. Cute little edges. This face has got dry really quick. If you see, it's got dry really quick. Whee! Crow. Cute. Soup. Now let's put more of this jello thing. I call it jello because it kind of feels like jello last time when I pushed it in the Just For Me thing. Yeah, feels like jello. Look, it's so clear. Like where I'm gonna do that at? Why do I need this? So I'm just gonna put it like. Where was it? Whoa. It be loud. Whoa. Guys, if you follow me, you see some of my TikToks what I'm doing. I do a lot of TikToks, guys. And subscribe to the channel. Please guys. Please. So I really like those Guys, if you know TikTok songs, tell me down. Like, tell me, and then I'll see them. And tell me your TikTok so I can follow you. And I know I will love all of y'all because I follow everybody who I see on TikTok. If they're funny and stuff. If you're watching this channel, like the video, I feel thankful for y'all for watching this video, all that stuff. Cause we got to like so much likes, guys. Thank you for giving us so much likes. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. So all the people, I appreciate it. Stay safe and all that stuff. So yeah. So y'all, guys, look. I'm gonna fix my edges on this side because for some reason it got short. I'm just gonna throw it back. Guys, if you know how to throw back, I do. This is what I'm gonna do to my edges. Throw it back. Bam, I throw it back. Blech. It's so sticky for some reason. Like, yeah. Like, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. This video. I'm not going to splatter over here. So what else should no, I'm scared to put on. But actually, my bun. I splattered on my bun. Do you know why? Because my bun. Because I messed up. But my done. You guys, if you saw my other channel when I got my hair done and stuff, go check it out. Go check it out. Guys, like I started in there learning edges. Like when I first had to do, I said, oh, I'm gonna do my hair. Since I started doing my edges, and they turned out so cute, guys. So this maybe gonna be some cute ones too. If you're a YouTuber watching this right now, I'll watch your videos because I love every time I'm a YouTuber. Because all the YouTubers I watch, they're really. Oh, and guys, if you play Roblox, I can tell you my username, and I can show you. I can show you some fans, YouTubers on TikTok and stuff. I can show you what their username if you're a fan of them and you watch them. I can show you because I have a lot. If you know funny, like there's a lot of people who accepted my friend request. And I hope all y'all, if you play Roblox or anything, you accept my friend request. Cause I have so much friends, but I really want YouTuber friends. Please, guys. My name is myriahamani on Roblox. If you really want to know, it's myriahamani. It's the same one as my YouTuber name. So all you gotta do is type in myriahamani, all that stuff, and then bam, you'll find me. I have pink hair. A unicorn shirt, and you see me. If you don't know who I look like, I may be at the top because I'm the only myriahamani. So yeah. So guys, these edges, I want them to be like the little one as this one. Yeah. Guys, this splatter all over me. My curl went like squeak. My hair went like squeak. Boing, 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 bangs. I got bangs, guys. Please tell me where do you get the jelly fruits, because I really want to know where you get the jelly fruits, because I didn't. So So guys, this is about to take some more music. Let's look it up. Guys, so guys, this is like the final up to my matters. Cute, 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 cute. Really good. My guys, when I put my hair like this, it includes my hair straight, but like bam, curl. So I don't know which my hair is like straight or curl. I really don't know. Guys, this is it. My final review for my hair. And guys, give me a huge thumbs up. Hit that like button, turn on the case. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.